Pretty good babies. You going to sit? You gonna be a good boy? Okay. There you go. Whoop. Sit. Sit. Good girl. All right. Good dogs. So, I got the computer done. Well, let's put the casing away. I'm probably never going to be done with it. But this is how it kind of looks now.
Okay, so this one goes in stripe up. Stripe up.
Kind of a thing going on down the O. Case is all black.
Another one.
Actually doing a remix. Here, let me turn this down a little bit.
Project, so.
Oh yeah, wrong mouse. Good. I'm actually doing a bit editing on it right now. I'm remixing the Kurt Ballou into one. I finally figured out how to do the longer than 15 minutes thing on YouTube, which is not necessarily very apparent, but so this is kind of what I did here with the case. This is the stripe job I did on the side. Yeah, so I believe it. I don't care. Looks great to me. So the computer's all put together. I got the two hard drives here. I got a little USB port that goes right there in the center. There's two more USB 3 ports, and then the two DVD writers that are put in there like that, connected down there. I only have 8 gig of RAM in this thing. I'm going to upgrade it, probably 16 pretty quick. But there's that little, this is the, jeez, man, got me. So this is that M2. It's not very big. It's 128 gigs, which is basically enough to put the operating system on and kind of, you know, updates. I'm going to have to figure out how to move all the other stuff off. Whenever I install a new program on here or data, I'll put those on the hard drives, which are they're about $250 a piece. So there's 500 gigabytes of hard drive in here, not very much. I do have the ability to hook up other drives to it though, from the front or from the back. There's a couple USB 3 ports back there. But it sounds working, video's working. I still need to get figure out what I'm going to do with those 4 empty panel. Yeah, I can't find any of the panel things. Got them around here somewhere, but I only found one. But whatever, I'll find a couple, 4 more of them. I'm sure that the computer store probably has them for like a nickel each. But I got the power switch, the HDD light, and the power light hooked up to that little section down there, which was kind of, yeah, it's all the same. So there's my new YouTube thingy computer, and it is currently rendering a YouTube video. There's the files that I'm combining together, and so far it's up to 18 minutes, which I didn't understand about the 15-minute thing versus the. But anyway, this one's going to be a long video. It's going to be like an hour. But it's going to be the whole Kurt Ballou pedal board install, build from basically parts to what you see here is the final result. Working pedal board. So, anyway. Yeah, it's going on and on and on. Yeah, there we go. So there's the new computer. There's the new YouTube computer. That's all I'm going to do with this thing. It's all it's going to do. I can now, this is the first desktop I've built in literally, I don't know, God, I don't even know how many years. It's probably been, well, it's way too long for me to remember, so I'm gonna just go with like 20. I've been doing laptops for that at least that long because they're just easier to move around and take with you on a trip, or you know, if you have to go somewhere, or if you just want to go to work or whatever. This is my first desktop unit I have built with new parts in probably over 20 years now. So it works. I initially had issues with this system, and I bought it from this really good company that was close to me. When I worked in the computer business, there was one of the distributors that we used a lot was a company called Northwest Computer Accessories, and they were a big one. And now they have moved into Clackamas area, and they have everything. I mean, if you can think of it, they probably have one in stock. And I cannot tell you how much I appreciate their customer service and their ability to troubleshoot things. What happened was is I had bought this thing, this motherboard, processor, memory thing, and I could not get it to post power on self-test. Basically, this is what post means. So I took the whole thing down there, and he goes, "Oh yeah, it's got a bad RAM." So he swapped it out immediately, and ever since then the thing's been working brilliantly. But boy, I'll tell you, it's nice to have a full-service computer shop nearby that knows what the hell they're doing. And like I said, since I haven't built a desktop and I didn't have any more of those RAMs, I only had the one. It's a DDR4. I had a shit ton of DDR2s and 3s, but the 4 is what they're using nowadays. It's a faster whatever. Yeah, anyway, they fixed it. They said, "Here you go, all done." And they were awesome. Really good customer support. Very nice folks. And if you ever want to get any parts for a computer, I highly recommend Northwest Computer Accessories. And I literally am getting zero from saying that. I'm just telling you that because they are you're a great little company down in Tualatin. Anyway, thank you. Here's my, the other side looks the same. It's I don't know, where's the other side? What did I do with it? Probably put it somewhere. Oh, here it is. So this is the inside. That's what they look like on the inside. Bright freaking fire engine red. And then on the outside, it's got this black and red stripe thing. Kind of surreal looking. Kind of camouflagey-ish. I mean, if you're into the red and black thing. I haven't put it on yet. I have, but I took it off and kind of left it off so you guys could see it. That's it. That's a full computer right there. It's 2 videos. Only 8 gig of RAM. I'll upgrade that soon. It's just that 8 gig memory is so expensive. I just can't afford it right now. I just get this thing up to this thing goes to 64, but I'm probably going to do 16. I'll probably do one more 8 gig stick, and that's going to probably be what this thing will be for its life. Best case scenario, if RAM prices come back down, I'll do 32 gigs, but it's working really well for the intended use. This thing has not hiccuped or given me any issues at all with the 8 gig at all, so I'm very happy with it. Anyway, that's about it. See you later.